How to mask using DaVinci Resolve. So, a lot of you have been wondering if masking in DaVinci Resolve is very hard, but actually, it's very simple. So, what you need to do first is you want to go ahead and open a project, then you want to go ahead and add a clip. Now, once you already have a clip, we need to go to the bottom corner and go to the Fusion. Now, from here, you will see this timeline. Now, what you need to do next is you want to add a merge button right here and drag it in the middle of your media in and media out. Then after that, you want to go ahead and add the masking shape. Let's say, for example, we want to use a rectangle, but for my case, I'm going to use a polygon. Now for the polygon, you need to go ahead and add points on the mask itself. So you need to go to the clip and zoom in and simply click and add some points. And as many as you can, try to limit the points that you will be adding. And then simply just connect those points. Now after that, we are now successfully have connected the polygons. Then we want to add this into the merge itself. So by doing that, we have officially masked the scene. So you need to go ahead in this bottom and connect this box to the merge icon. Now after you've done that, you'll be able to just customize this mask alone. So in order to do that, simply just go right here to the inspector corner. Now from here, you have the controls for the image and the settings. Basically, we can just edit however we want the mask to look like. Let's say for example, we want a soft edge or we want a blurred background. So we add some levels to it and then we can also do some barlet and then we can invert and add some solid shapes. We can even add some border styles and then customize the size of it. So basically, after you've done that, you can also now add a background. So we can go ahead in this button right here and then add a background and connect it to the merge. Or you can just create another merge. Let's say, for example, this one. We have connected the merge, or we just create another merge by doing this. After that, just connect it properly in order to make it function, and you should be able to connect the background. Now, as you can see, you can only see the black now. Now for this one, you can just change the color right here and just change it to however color you want. Now as you can see, we have now successfully have merged the background with what we have masked. Now that's how you can basically mask using DaVinci Resolve. If you like this video, check out these other video recommendations below. Please leave your comments, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.